Hi guys, Paul here, Jurassic Rambler. Hiking, walking, backpacking, wild camping, that's your thing. Please like and subscribe. Right, I just got something through the post which I've just purchased a couple of weeks ago. It just arrived. I thought I'd just open it up before I do a more in-depth review when I've used it. And it is, I just open the package and it's just come. And it is the HoverAir X1. Now this is like a drone camera. Okay, so it's not, doesn't have all the bells and whistles that all the DJ Mini has, etc. But it's very much preset flight mode, perfect for someone like me who is a bit of a Luddite when it comes to filming, etc. This looks great for what I want. As I say, I will do a more in-depth review of it. But I just thought I'd open it up, show you guys. It comes with this really nice packaging. Only weighs 125 grams. And I also got in the pack, I got the charging hub. So I bought the battery charging hub. And I also bought an extra battery as well, which is that there. So I think the batteries, you get about 11 minutes filming. So the whole idea is that as you're using one, the other one will be charging in your charger at the same time. So I just thought I'd show you it, and I'll just open it up. Really nice packaging. This was, I believe, a crowdfunding project from some years ago, but I've seen a couple of reviews of people who've done it on YouTube, and this is it there. So you can see it there. We just open it up, see what it looks like. Really nice, very almost like an Apple type product. I assume there's some instructions there. Some sort of do's and don'ts before your first flight card, and then this, look at the size of that. So I don't know if you can see that. That is literally it. I believe it folds out, and that is it there. And it weighs literally, fits in the palm of your hand. Obviously when you're not using it, it just folds away. You can stick it in your bag or maybe in your rucksack pocket at the front. Has the controls on it there, which are all the different flight modes. So it does bird's eye view, 360. It will do a follow you type 1, do the hover, etc. So as I say, just come to say I'm super excited about this. I've seen it out on YouTube with other people reviewing it. It looks super cool. So I thought I'd put it up there and show you what it looks like out the box. As I say, I will do a separate, more in-depth review, but that's it for now. Cheers, bye. Please like and subscribe and comment if you've got one of these as well. That would be good to know what people think of it. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Bye.